Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm sure you're all doing good. If you're new here, hi. Thank you for stopping by to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, I bring you all another delicious recipe. Today we are having a goosey soup. This is melon seeds soup, okay? With obono. So it's a typical Nigerian delicacy. So let's get started. So I started off with boiling my proteins. You can use any protein of choice. But here I'm using turkey meat and stockfish. So I've gone ahead to season up my meat. I added different spices and of course I added scotch bonnet pepper to spice things up. And it's been cooking for like about 15 minutes now and it's done. I'm going to go ahead and heat up oil in a pot and then fry the meat to get the meat flavor, infused into the oil because we're going to be using this oil to fry our melon seed, aka egusi. So guys, if you're new here and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by, clicking on the subscription button and join this beautiful family. On here, we make delicious recipes, healthy ones that I know you're going to love so much. Thank you for doing that and God bless you. So once the oil is heated, I added onion and pepper mix. I fried it for like about 3 minutes and then I added the melon seed, aka egusi. As you've seen, I'm just frying it. I'll fry it like about 3 to 4 minutes and then I add my chicken stock and mix everything together. And now to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much and God bless you all. So now I've just added salt and seasoning cube and I'm going to stir together and add enough water, cover and cook for like about 10 to 15 minutes. But in between, I'll be stirring it, to avoid it burning. So the soup has been cooking for a while now, and as you've noticed, oil is already floating on top. Once you notice this oil floating on top of your soup, that shows that your soup is ready. So I'll go ahead and add the meat and then spinach. So after adding the spinach, I will stir and cover and allow to cook a little bit more, say 3 to 4 minutes. At this point, you don't need to leave your heat on. Just lower the heat or off it entirely. The heat from the soup will help cook the vegetables. So once the soup is done, we're going to be having this with oat fufu. I have few recipes of oat fufu on my channel. Do make sure to check it out, okay? So that's how we're going to be enjoying this food. It tasted so delicious, guys. Trust me on this one. It tasted so delicious. So guys, thank you for watching and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Do make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. Enjoy guys. See you in my next one. Bye.